Here you can see 4-digit 7-segment display. This display is driven by an IC right here. This IC is CD4511, which is a 7-segment display decoder. Basically it takes 4 bits binary number as an input and decodes it for the 7-segment display. We can set our 4-digit binary number by these dip switches right here. The dip switch number 1 represents least significant bit, which is 1, and the dip switch number 4 represents the most significant bit, which is number 8. With this setup we can set any number from 1 to 9. As an example, I will set the lucky 7 by setting dip switch number 1, dip switch number 2 and dip switch number 3 high, and you can see the number 7. The 7-segment display has 7 inputs for each segment and 4 inputs for each digits. To display 3 numbers at once, I need to switch between them really fast, so the human eye doesn't see the blinking. This is accomplished by another IC right here. This IC is CD4017, which is decade counter. This IC has 10 outputs, and if we apply clock signal on pin 14, this IC will set its outputs high one by one in a sequence. Since I'm using 3 digits, I hook up the reset pin on the output number 4, so when the IC counts to 3, it will reset itself back to 0. Our clock signal is generated by simple 555 timer oscillator with 2 10K resistors and one 200 nanofarad capacitor. Now I'll plug in a 10 microfarad capacitor next to the 200 nanofarad, so the frequency can be picked up by human eye. The blue LED is our clock cycle and the red LEDs are our outputs from the IC. Now you can see how the individual outputs are switched on by one each clock cycle, and the digits on the display as well. The display that I'm using has common cathode, so in order to power each digit we must connect it to the ground. This is accomplished by BC547 transistors right here. I have 3 of them. Each base of transistor is connected to its corresponding output from CD4017 through 4.7K current limiting resistor. Later I will combine this circuit up here with this circuit down below, and this should be a frequency counter, so stay tuned. The parts that I used and the circuit schematics will be down in the video description.